Hey, it's Guard here, and I was at the campground one time at Mayport in Jacksonville at the Navy base, and the guy was watching me struggling to put the cable Coax onto the little outlet here, because you got to get your fingers in there, and it's just awkward. He said what I needed to do was to have a tool. He said they make a tool for that, so I ordered it off of Amazon. I'll post a link on it. But it's really simple, and it's got like a socket in there that matches the nut here. So you slide on your cable, just like that, and it locks into like that. Really simple. You just get it started there, and you screw it on, and it's done. And you take that off like that, and when you're ready to break camp, you just put this on the cable. You slide it up so that it locks into the nut, and you unscrew it. And if you use the cable, this makes it handy, especially if you're going every other day, you move or something. It's just a lot easier. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and maybe we'll see you on the road. So stay safe and have fun traveling. Bye, everyone.